What's going on, guys? We are finishing up a very cool 2021 Dodge Ram TRX build. On the front of this truck, you're going to notice a whole mess of Baja Designs lights. We've got LP6s, we've got LP4s up on our SDHQ built A-pillar mounts, we've got Onyx 6 light bars and S8 light bars in our SDHQ built behind the grille light mount. All of these lights are controlled with the Switch Pros 9100 system. We've got the power module mount built by SDHQ under the hood. We've got our billet controller mount inside the cab. As far as suspension goes, we called upon the guys over at Kibitech. We've got a set of their billet arms up front and their billet upper and lower links out back. For wheels and tires, we added a set of 18-inch Innovate Racing wheels and 37-inch Toyo MT tires. For a little added utility, we added our SDHQ built ARB compressor mount. Round one on this TRX was a lot about performance, and to get some extra ponies out of this, we called on Magnuson. We've got the new Magnuson supercharger up top, and to even get that little bit more, we've got a Stainless Works header system and a Stainless Works catback exhaust and a custom dyno tune. Next up for this TRX is going to be our SDHQ built dual battery kit with a new main battery tray and a set of King shocks on all four corners. We can't wait to get that done. Like always, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.